Hey YouTubers, it's your boy MTC Tookie 25 coming at you with another unboxing. At the end of this unboxing, I'm going to do a quick little shout out to some of my favorite subscribers. And if I miss your name, don't mean you ain't one of my favorite. I just doing this off the top of my head. But we're going to start with these packages in front of me. We got 6878 slash slipper clutch assembly and 5352R. That'd be the metal pads for that slipper clutch assembly going in the slash. Set that over there. Some packages, other packages I got earlier in the week from Nitro RCX for my Mad Drift. Some just some screws, some nuts, and end caps, outdrive caps, my bad, for the Mad Drift. I lost one. If they don't sell them by one, you gotta buy two. Y'all know how that works. Okay, I don't need to put them back in the bag. I'm gonna set them over here. And the other little package is from a private eBay seller. In my my crawler, I let somebody use the crawler and they stripped out the plastic gears in the 2075 Traxxas servo. So here's the replacement gear, 2072 for replacement gears, plastic gears for that 2075 servo. Leave that there. And then we got another little package. Nothing major. And this comes from, I believe, Tower Hobby. No, not bag, A-Main Hobby. And that would be some shims, okay? Everybody know what shims are. If you don't know, you need to know, okay? There's shims for my Helion Invictus or any other vehicle that needs to have shims in the diffs or the axles, okay? You're gonna need them. Calandra Racing Concepts. Yeah, that came from A-Main Hobby. Okay. It's been a while since I made a unboxing video. I've been waiting on some things to come, and I still got some packages still coming this next week, okay? But until then, this will hold me over. I don't know, I can't remember what this was. Yeah, this came from, who did it come from? I don't even know. I'm gonna have to open this up to see what it is. So just bear with me, YouTubers. Oh, okay, my bad. That would be another Futaba Fast R2004GF. That would be 4-channel receiver Futaba, okay? And another Futaba S3305 Futaba steering servo, okay? That came from straight from Futaba, from the main office, okay? And then I'll put those over there. These is what I've really been waiting on. I'm so stoked and excited about getting these in the mail. And my good man Byron from who? From Poseidon, okay? Poseidon RC, Oxnard, California, okay? Good man Byron sit these out. And I'm just so stoked and excited about this purchase, because you know, upgrades is what I do, and nothing's far from doing it. Okay, I got to be in this. If not in, close to being in. Okay, Poseidon P1717 2200 kV. Okay. Stoked. Huh? Wow. There she go. Poseidon. What is that? What kV is that? No, my bad. 2200 kV, right? That's for that XO1, baby. Okay? Shit. XO1 about to be crazy fast. Trust me. When I say crazy fast, I mean crazy fast. That's that 1717 2200 for the XO1. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. And not to add insult to injury, I got another package from Mr. Byron, and I'm excited about this one as well. Set that over there. And last but not least, another package from Poseidon RC, Mr. Byron. Yeah, I was looking for some stickers, but I guess he didn't send me any, which is not good. And what is this? P1515. P1515C 22. That means it's 2200 kV. $2,200 kV Poseidon. 4-pole brushless. Bullet connectors. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, you know what I'm going to do with that, right? Yeah. You know what I'm going to do with that. This flash is about to hit the moon, y'all. Okay, so we got one hell of a haul here today. And I'm pretty excited about that. But let me sit down for a minute and holler at y'all. We having a little bad weather here in Florida, so haven't been able to do a lot of speed runs, anything outside because of the weather. And as I make this video right now, I hear thundering in the in the sky. So it's just a good day to stay inside and do RC. You feel me? Oh man, I'm burning up shit. Burning up. Oh man. Okay. Time for me to do some shout outs. And I'm gonna shout out, like I said in the beginning of the video, the peeps that subscribers that I speak to on a regular basis. You know, show the love. I can't forget about them. We're gonna start off with Tin Man, Tinsley Smith. See you, little brother. Rockbud 43. See you, brother. Ray Luna, glad to see you back, man. Glad to see you back. Let's get with that channel and get them guys hopped up, man. Get some more guys, some more 70-mile-an-hours in us. And then I can't forget about JM Spec and Poppy. And I love the idea of Poppy getting in, pulling the trigger, getting in the 70-mile-an-hour club. Thumbs up with that. Geo Still for R1, my brother, hollering at you, man. Let me see who else. Tat Money, Mumfordale, one love, brother. Hey, I like that DJI Phantom too you got, man. You know you got me itching to get that vision. So watch out. You might be coming here before the summer's out. Who else? Mr. Tuner 89, RC Man 1223, Hawkeye. Thumbs up, Hawkeye. I want to see some running video, man. Mr. Muscle, I forget your whole handle, bro. I ain't heard nothing from you. What you gonna do, man? Come on and get out the box, bro. Let's get some videos up, man. You know, I didn't give you all the information you need. Let's see some runs. Who else I need to shout out? Oh man, bear with me, y'all. There's so many people. But just lately, the people that I've been going back and forth with on the phone, RC Kill 71. I see you, bruh. Getting them LXs together, them Offners together. See who else? Hey, I'm shooting blanks right now. That's what she said. Darren Doran, what's up, little brother? Who else? Oh man, it's so many of you guys out there that I need to be giving shouts out, and probably next time I'll just make a list. But those were some of the guys off of my top of my head. Too quick for you, Johnny. I see you, man. I can't forget about you. Who else? Oh, then let me forget my crew, the whole Need for Speed crew. Kenneth, thumbs up, bro, on your 109-mile-an-hour. Number 4 inductee into the club. Who else? Memboy, Marty, the whole crew, man. The whole Need for Speed crew. Thumbs up to you guys, man. Big up, thumbs up to Big E. I see you, Big E. We're going to do something real soon, man. Just hang in there, bro. Let's see who else. Pony 1992, Raw Steel, Breaking Wind, Thunder. What's up, brother? How you doing, man? Let me see. Who else? Who else I need to shout out? Well, you know who all you guys are, right? You special people, right? Angel, what's up, brother? I need to call you, man. We can get together. I need to talk a little bit. Who else? Oh, man. I don't know. I think I'm going to cut this video because I'm shooting blanks again, like I said earlier. But thanks for watching. Continue to watch my videos. I got bigger and better things to come real soon. And holla at your boy. One love.